sorry, I didn't see you there. Just kidding. Hello. We're not that drunk anymore. So we just wanted to make a video where we show you guys our flat here in Paisley, Scotland.
Yes.
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 So this is our bed. This is kind of the dream bed or something because it's huge. So that's something that we got really excited about when we got here, because there were just like two beds that we just pushed together, and there is the ginormous bed or something. Anyways, this is our desk slash shelf thingy, and where we put our clothes, and our like my makeup and like our deodorant and shit.
Or stuff.
And
Yeah. Stuff.
And just like an extra shelf.
Shelf?
Yes.
Whoa!
Don't. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
What's that?
This is our closet. I'm just kidding.
Wow.
Yeah. So many clothes.
Yeah. Fashion. Like, oh my god.
Okay. So this, if you come here, this is the view from our window.
Amazing.
You're supposed to come here.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
Just look at that. There's a bar and an Oriental Express, which is like Chinese food.
Yes.
And then like a street
Yeah.
with houses on it.
Yeah.
Stuff.
A great view, actually.
Great view.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Yes.
I'm gonna show you more stuff.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, what is this? Well, they're trying to keep this place as fireproof as possible.
Fireproof. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's very important. Oh, as well as environmentally friendly stuff. So they want us to not waste that much energy.
Oh, so I'll turn this off then?
Okay.
Okay.
We're supposed to keep them off.
Okay.
Anyways.
Okay.
So, and also the fire thingy, they put these on the doors that says fire door, keep shut. Which basically means that it will keep the... Could you explain that?
Well,
Well,
fun fact.
fun fact.
If you keep the doors or the rooms, if you keep the rooms like isolated, then the fire is going to be isolated to that room, and it's not going to get air or anything else from the other rooms, and it's not going to spread as easily. It has to burn through the door to, so it's easier to contain the fire. So, yes.
Yay! So that's why. And also these doors, they shut by themselves. So if I just let it go, they'll shut.
Yes.
So that's what they're doing.
Yes.
And also, again, with the energy, we're not allowed to, like, I guess we're allowed to, but if I just turn this light on, they want us to, like, turn off every light that is in a room we're not in, I guess. So we can only have lights on in the room where we are. So that's why this room was dark here, and since we're going into the toilet, I guess we should switch the lights.
Oh, dark.
Oh my gosh. So this is the toilet. It's very small, but it works.
Oh, okay. Awkward. Okay.
Awkward, well.
Shower.
And the shower.
Yeah.
It's very tiny, but it's nice. It has these kinds of doors,
Yes.
which I think is cool.
This is where we clean our butts. Yes.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
Um,
Classy.
And like toilet and stuff.
Yes.
There's a window, but you can't see through it. But anyway.
Which is good.
Yes.
Yes.
So, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Well, now we're gonna go into the kitchen. So I'm just gonna what?
Ooh, dark.
And then
The
this
kitchen.
is the kitchen.
Yes.
So welcome in to our kitchen.
It's
This is where we cook our food and wash our dishes. I can even say it. So like cupboards.
yay.
Yay! And stuff. And then the hub, it's called here, but I didn't know that. So we actually had to ask them what the hub was, because we saw this one. We were like, what the fuck? What is a hub? Anyways, look at this. We actually have to turn on the hub and the oven to be able to use them.
Yes. So it's not just like these wheels, we have to use those as well.
Yes.
So that's cool.
Yes, and we also have this one for the fridge.
And that has to be kept on because obvious reasons.
Obviously. Our dining table is not really clean, but still, or the table is clean, but there's stuff here. So. Yeah. Kid rags. Anyways, the microwave and like tea and coffee and
Coke.
And yeah, the fridge. Did we show this? No.
Yeah, of course. The main attraction of what is it? My crib.
Yeah.
I don't know, of MTV.
The crib. Yeah. My crib is the fridge. You know, because we have a lot of shit in there as well.
Water. Thank you.
Because we feel really weird drinking the water from the tap because it has like, what's it called? It tastes weird.
Yeah, it tastes like chlorine.
Yeah. So this is our living room, I guess, or just sleeping. So we have a couch and a coffee table, which is great.
Yes.
This is where we chill when we're not in the bed, which we usually chill.
Yeah.
Because, it's bigger and cozier.
Yes.
And our view from the kitchen is the campus.
It's amazing.
It's beautiful.
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 Yes.
Okay, so I think that's it, right?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is our flat, and we just wanted to show you guys so that you can see how it is here.
Yeah.
I'm sorry you couldn't come with us or anything. We still miss you.
Yeah, we miss you.
We miss you.
Yeah.
No, but still.
Yeah.
So we just wanted to show you guys. And I think that we're going to try to vlog more to be able to like show what we're doing and talk about stuff, I guess.
Yeah.
But we probably won't be this long. It probably won't be the like walking around and stuff. It probably will be sitting down. And hopefully not drunk next time. The last video was a drunk video.
Yes. Yes.
So, well, we'll see you guys later then.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mwah.